Hold on, it's got what now? What is it?
Hellcat injectors,
right?
Scat fuel pumps, E85 tune, and catless mints.
Oh my fucking Jesus Christ. Oh shit. This motherfucker tried to murder us just now. Yo, fuck your little Toyota, bitch! Oh my, what the, oh my God! What the fuck?
Is it 0.3?
What's the best 0 to 60 on this hoe?
I don't know, look at the top.
Okay, alright.
I did that.
You did that? You ain't do that shit, you lying. What that shit say? 0.2? This shit say 0.2. Mine is better, mine's 0.1, bro. Boy, snapped on them motherfuckers. God damn, he snapped on them bitches. Go ahead, let's hear this joint. Let's hear this cold start. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! So these dudes got down. They got me driving this wide body shit, and these niggas is about to take the fuck off. Oh my God. Yo, I feel like I'm in the Fast and Furious for real. All Charger shit.
Have you ever hit the desert and got soaking wet? Have you ever felt the pleasure that you won't forget? Have you ever hit 95 miles an hour, top gone in a cherry fit? Have you ever smoked a blunt and didn't want the blunt to go?
Yo, did you ever just fix this road?
Now?
You ain't get popped.
Yeah, I just
Is that my car?
that's the first time I down shit since I've been in it.
I'm like, wait, is that my car?
This shit sounds good. Shit sound good as fuck.
Well, I had, tell you what, let me start from the beginning. It's 11, past 11, make a wish, I'm a genie. Without a bottle, got a model, looking good in a bikini. That bikini hella small, I can see your nipples and kitties. Down, boy, had to tell my nigga chill. It ain't the time or the place, I want a meal, not a meal. I can have a meal later, I need this meal for my meal. I'ma build a restaurant where I can eat and chill. And this bill's gonna bring me hella meals and meals. You don't get it, I don't care, you slow, your ass steal. This bill's gonna bring me meals and meals. One I can eat, and the other for bills and thrills. Have you ever hit the desert and got soaking wet? Have you ever felt the pleasure that you won't forget? Have you ever hit 95 miles an hour?